Hey everyone, it's Zoe again and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial of how I achieve this look using no product. I started out on silk pressed hair and I used only flexi rods and my hooded dryer. So it's a very easy style to do. It's a great way to get some definition in your hair and a long-lasting style without weighing down your hair with a lot of products, or any products at all for that matter. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this style, I'm going to be starting out with an old silk press. My silk press was about a week old here. I recommend using purple flexi rods for this hairstyle, but for some reason when I was trying to do my hair at this point, I could not find all of my flexi rods, so I did go ahead and use some gray flexi rods, which I use towards the front of my head. But if you can, I recommend using the purple flexi rods. So my method for curling my hair with flexi rods is to always roll the flexi rod away from my face and towards the middle of my head. So with that being said, if I am curling a piece of hair that is on the left side of my head, I am rolling the flexi rod towards the right, if that makes sense. Hopefully you can tell from what I'm doing in the video, and I just continue like that all over my whole head because I like my curls to be flowing away from my face. So I am going to just go ahead and speed through this process. If you all would like a more detailed video about how to actually wrap a flexi rod on your hair, just leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll be sure to get that up for y'all. But just for the sake of time in this video, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this process. Alright, so I'm all done flexi rodding my hair. Next thing I'm about to do is get my bonnet dryer, or if you have a hooded dryer, you can use that too. And I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. You're gonna want to do it like at night before you go to sleep, because heating it up and then letting it cool off is what's gonna help your hair hold, even though we didn't use any products. So yeah, just sit under your dryer for at least an hour. You can do more if you would like to. And then after you finish that, just go to sleep as you normally would. And when you wake up in the morning is when you're gonna take your rollers out. So I will see y'all tomorrow. So in real life, you're not going to want to separate your curls as much as I did. First off, the only reason I did that was just so y'all could get the full effect of the style. But on any other ordinary day, I probably would have just kind of left the curls alone and separated them very little, just so that it would last longer throughout the day and so that the curls would naturally fall just by themselves. So once again, this is it. This is the final style, and this is one of my favorite styles to do when my silk press is getting old and I'm just tired of it being straight and I don't want to weigh down my hair with a bunch of products. So yeah, hopefully you all like this. Hopefully you try it out, and thank you for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.